Okay, so I'm trying to repair this 1986 Volvo 240 wagon, and I've got this ignition control module. That's the number 1346107, and I believe the spark is cutting off right at the connector here. So I had pulled out the connector that goes there, and they do separate. I'm inspecting the wires. One of the wires here was in pretty bad shape. I don't know if I can focus on it. That one right there. I just they were frayed. They were disconnected, so I have to repair this wire. I believe this one, it is separating. Okay, so I'm going to drill this out. Drill it out, put it all the way through. First I'm going to cut this. I did get this connector, but it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit in that slot. It doesn't go all the way in. Okay, so there is a green wire. I had to get this Molex tool. 35 bucks, but I needed it so that I can disconnect this. Basically put it in from this end and wiggle it until you can take it out. It's a green wire, so I'm going to get this in because I need it to connect. All right, so I'm going to cut here. Just cut. I can cut some more, but cut here. I'm going to drill through, make the hole big enough. And I have this tool. This tool is very important. It's number Molex 011-03-006. And I have these drill bits. I'm going to start small and get bigger. These are the ones in the back here. Got different sizes. I'm going to cut, and then I'm going to drill through carefully, extremely carefully, because I need this to fit snug right in there so it doesn't back out. See, I got to fix these barbs right here. So I am drilling through. Okay. You can see the stuff coming out right at the end of the drill bit. That's the wiring. So I'm going through right here. Okay, I managed to drill all the way through. Okay, you gotta just hold it tight. Drill it all the way through. Be careful you don't get the other wire. Okay, so I am prying that off, the little sleeve with a pick. Okay, got a few little tools here. It's from fix a watch that has nice, some hard points. I can use that too. So it's coming out. I also have this scissor. I got the edge in there and it locks in at the end, so hopefully I can twist it off, get this whole thing off. So I am getting there. I just took out this piece. That piece right there. Gotta unlock this if I can with one hand. That piece, a metal piece. Get out the rest. Okay, I am getting there. I got the pieces out. I have to somehow lock it in. Got the drill bit all the way through. Okay, so I've been drilling with a 8/64 drill bit, 1/8 drill bit. Switch a bigger drill bit, 9/64, and I finally got the tip out that wouldn't come out because it locked in and it caught up. So that's the end. You can see it. It's out now. Awesome. I'll spray some electronic cleaner. Clean that out. Continue to work here.